Hello everyone. Good to see you back. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel, An Assamese in Austria. I'm so glad you're joining me again today. In this video, we're taking a trip to one of my absolute favorite places in Tyrol, the stunning village of Mayrhofen. Get ready for breathtaking mountain views, a ride on the iconic Ahornbahn cable car, and some spectacular drone footage of this incredible skiing paradise. And trust me, you'll want to stay tuned until the very end. We've got some truly breathtaking views coming up, especially when we reach the top of the mountain. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore Mayrhofen together. Mayrhofen is a charming village nestled in the heart of the Zillertal Valley. It's known for its lively atmosphere, fantastic skiing, and of course, the gateway to some truly incredible mountain scenery. Today, we're going to experience it all, and our journey begins with a scenic drive to Mayrhofen. The drive itself is absolutely stunning, winding through the picturesque Zillertal. As you can see, the views along the way are just breathtaking. Rolling hills, charming villages, and of course, the majestic Alps towering in the distance. It's a feast for the eyes. The roads here are well maintained, making for a smooth and enjoyable drive. And the scenery just keeps getting better and better around every bend. I can't get enough of these views. I actually filmed the entire drive in 360 degrees, so you can experience it for yourself. Keep an eye out for that video in the coming days. I'll be uploading it soon, and it'll give you a truly immersive experience of the journey to Mayrhofen. You won't want to miss it. And here we are, finally in Mayrhofen. It's even more beautiful in person than I imagined. Now that we've arrived, the first thing we are going to do is take a ride up the Ahornbahn. Mayrhofen is a real hub for mountain adventures, and one of the things that makes it so special is its network of cable cars and gondolas. There are a few different options to choose from, each offering a unique experience. You have the Ahornbahn, the Ahornbahn, and the Ahornbahn, each taking you to different parts of this incredible mountain landscape. Today, we're taking the Ahornbahn. The Ahornbahn is known for its family-friendly atmosphere and stunning panoramic views. It's a great choice for a relaxed trip up the mountain, especially if you're with kids or just want to soak in the scenery. The ride itself is very comfortable as well. Now, Mayrhofen also has another very popular gondola, the Ahornbahn. It's a bit more of an action-packed mountain, geared towards skiers and snowboarders, with more challenging slopes and activities. I've actually explored the Ahornbahn on a previous trip, and if you're interested in seeing what that's like, I'll put a link to that video in the description below. It's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a more adventurous mountain experience. But today, we're keeping it chill with the Ahornbahn. As we begin our ascent on the Ahornbahn, it's a bit of a cloudy start, I have to admit. Visibility isn't the best at the moment, and everything is a bit shrouded in mist. It's a good reminder of how quickly the weather can change in the mountains. But look! Just as we're crossing above the cloud cover, sunshine. What a difference a few hundred meters can make. It's like a completely different world up here. We've broken through the clouds, and now the sun is shining brightly. It's absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, the cable car is packed with skiers, all eager to hit the slopes. They're all geared up and ready for a day of carving through the fresh powder. The excitement is palpable. You can feel the energy in the air. While I'm not a skier myself, I can certainly appreciate their enthusiasm, especially now that we're bathed in sunshine. Wow! What a transformation! We went from being completely enveloped in clouds to this breathtaking sunny panorama in just a few minutes. It just goes to show how quickly things can change up here. The views are absolutely incredible now. You can see for miles and miles. The sun is sparkling on the snow, and the mountains look majestic against the clear blue sky. It's definitely worth the ride up, even with the cloudy start. Surrounded by these majestic mountains, it's easy to see why Mayrhofen is such a popular destination. Whether you choose the Ahornbahn or the Penkenbahn, or even the Ahornbahn, you're guaranteed to be amazed by the views from up here. There's a wonderful winter walking path here called the Waldweg, the forest path, which is specifically designed for people who want to enjoy the mountain scenery without skiing. It's a perfect way to experience the beauty of the Ahorn at your own pace. And it leads us to a fantastic viewing point, so let's go check it out. This path is so peaceful. It winds through the snowy landscape, offering glimpses of the surrounding mountains through the trees. The air is crisp and fresh, and the only sounds are the crunch of snow under our boots and the occasional chirping of birds. It's a welcome change from the hustle and bustle of the ski slopes. Wow! This view is absolutely incredible. From this vantage point, we can see a panoramic sweep of the Zillertal Alps. The mountains stretch out in every direction, their peaks covered in glistening snow. The sun is shining brightly, making the snow sparkle like diamonds. It looks so picturesque from up here. And beyond Mayrhofen, the valley stretches into the distance, with more mountains rising up on either side. It's just breathtaking. I could spend hours up here just soaking in this view. It really makes you appreciate the beauty and power of nature. This is what makes the Ahorn so special. It caters to everyone, whether you're a skier or simply want to enjoy the mountains on foot. Down in the valley, we unfortunately cannot see the charming village of Mayrhofen, which is deeply covered by the clouds. Now, let's get a different perspective, a bird's-eye view of this incredible landscape. These drone shots really capture the scale and grandeur of the Zillertal Alps. Just look at the seemingly endless expanse of snow-covered peaks. It's a sea of white, stretching as far as the eye can see. The way the sunlight catches the ridges and valleys is just mesmerizing. Our drone is now hovering above the Ahornberg, giving us a fantastic view of the summit and the surrounding slopes. You can see the skiers making their way down, carving graceful turns in the snow. It looks like so much fun. And look over there, you can spot the Ahorn hut, a perfect place to warm up with some traditional Austrian food and drinks after a day on the slopes. It's nestled perfectly into the landscape, offering stunning views. This drone footage really gives you a sense of the scale of the Zillertal Valley. You can see how the mountains rise up dramatically from the valley floor, creating this breathtaking alpine landscape. It's no wonder this region is so popular with skiers and snowboarders from all over the world. And even if you're not a skier, like me, the beauty of this place is undeniable. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight. These mountains are truly majestic. They've been shaped by the forces of nature over thousands of years, and they stand here now in all their glory. It's a privilege to be able to witness such beauty. I hope these drone shots have given you a good sense of just how special this place is. It's a landscape that truly takes your breath away. Mayrhofen is a skier's paradise, with slopes for all levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. Even if you're not a skier, like me, the views alone are worth the trip up here. It's the perfect place to relax, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and just enjoy the beauty of nature. These drone shots really put things into perspective. You can see how vast this ski area is, with slopes winding their way down the mountain, connecting different areas and offering endless possibilities for exploration. The skiers look like tiny figures against this immense backdrop, highlighting the sheer scale of the mountains. It's a truly breathtaking sight. It's amazing to watch these skiers in action. They're so skilled and confident, navigating the slopes with such grace. It really makes me want to learn how to ski, maybe one day. But for now, I'm happy to enjoy the view from above and appreciate the beauty of this winter wonderland. The clouds are starting to part, giving way to glimpses of the valley below. And look! There it is, the charming town of Mayrhofen is starting to emerge from the mist. It's like the mountains are revealing their hidden treasure. It's time to wind down our adventure and take the Ahornbahn back down to the village. We've had a magical day exploring the mountaintop, soaking in the breathtaking views, and enjoying the company of fellow skiers and hikers. As we step back into the cable car, we take one last look at the mesmerizing panorama, promising ourselves that we'll return to this winter wonderland soon. We've experienced the magic of Mayrhofen, from the thrill of the cable car ride to the serenity of the winter hiking trails. We've witnessed the beauty of the mountains, the skill of the skiers, and the warmth of the Austrian hospitality. It's been a day to remember. And so, our journey to Mayrhofen comes to an end. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of this incredible destination. If you're planning a trip to Austria, be sure to add Mayrhofen to your list. You won't be disappointed. As we prepare to head back down the mountain, let's take one last look at this incredible panorama. The views are just stunning, even with the sun still high in the sky. The mountains stretch out in every direction, a seemingly endless expanse of peaks and valleys. And look, the skiers are still making the most of the fantastic conditions. They're carving their way down the slopes, leaving trails in the snow. It's mesmerizing to watch them. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. I appreciate you staying with me until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And as always, I welcome your comments and feedback. Until next time, happy travels.